Hi guys, and welcome back to this tutorial. In the previous section we started to look at the scope of variable, or the idea that you can use a variable based on where it was declared. In this new section we will start to create a very simple counter whereby we will create a variable for which the value will increase every single frame, and then the value of this variable will be displayed in the console window. So let's get started. The first, we're going to have a look at Visual Studio, and again what we'll do is to start to create a variable. Now initially we have a variable called counter that is in the start function, but for now we will declare it outside so that it can actually be used anywhere within this class. So again, we're going to initialize the value to 0 to start with, and then we will comment anything that we've done so far. So again, I'm going to comment this code here, this code here, and this code here. That's done. Only thing that I want to display is the value of the counter. So again, I'm going to display that, and again it will display counter plus the value of the counter. The only thing is I want the value of the counter to be incremented by 1 every frame. In this case I will just say counter equals counter plus 1, okay, which means that every single frame we will add 1 to the value of the counter. So again, if it's 0 initially, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Okay, so again, I'm going to save this script, switch back to Unity, wait for the compile to be finished, and when this is done, I should be able to play my scene and see the value of the counter increasing frame after frame. So let's play this scene, and now we should see the value of the counter increasing from 1. You can see that now it's increasing from 1 to about 200. Now you may wonder why, even though I've got the collapse option on, that it's still displaying loads of messages. Is because the system will collapse only identical messages. In our case, they are not identical because the value for the variable called counter is increasing frame after frame. Okay, so again, I'm going to stop displaying this information, and just to show you quickly, we have basically the value displayed every single frame and increase from 0 to 1. So in the next sections, what I will show you as well is how to create a counter that will add 1, but every second. Again, it will be something that you will be able to use later on as a timer for your game.